kung pwede akong magkita sa'yo.
What did he ask?
He said, I just want to ask if I can court you. Why stupid ass? You're not Kiliging. Hey guys, it's Yani here. And we're back with another video. As you can see, we haven't showered again. We just woke up.
How do you know I didn't shower?
Oh. Because you were yawning and you just woke up and you're just getting ready for the day.
You don't know me.
Such a diva, Fabio. Anyway, today's video is gonna be a Kiliging challenge because a subscriber messaged us that these two people from Pinoy Big Brother
that follow us. They said it on live TV.
They're still in the house.
Oh.
How are they gonna follow us? They don't have internet access. They have no Wi-Fi. They have no cell phone.
Maybe they followed us before and they said, oh, I wonder what
No,
Fabio and
okay,
Yani
Fabio,
are doing.
chill. Listen to what I have to say. Listen. Linda, listen. So, a subscriber sent us their video and they let us know that apparently in the Pinoy Big Brother house Philippines, there's like this love team that's making everybody Kiliging.
Oh.
And so this video we thought is gonna be a Kiliging challenge, and we're gonna start a new challenge on YouTube, Kiliging challenge, and let's see if Fabio and I are actually gonna be affected by their love team. Because I don't know about them, I haven't seen them, I haven't heard about them, and until a subscriber sent it to us, and because this subscriber spoke highly of it, and she said, if you don't Kilig to these love people, to this love team, I don't know what kind of person you are. I was wow.
Yeah, I think I will not kill it because I have no heart.
Fabio doesn't have a heart. He doesn't even...
Yani doesn't have a brain.
Wow.
He has a heart but no brain.
Wow. Fabio doesn't even have like Kiliging moment with us anymore. He's not romantic anymore. Kidding! Okay, let's go. Guys, I know the only subscriber, we always say this in the videos, is we're traveling the world next year. So please subscribe to our travel channel. The link down below, we have 2 different channels now, just so you know. So we won't be uploading travel channels on this channel, but we're still gonna be uploading fun videos like this on this channel. It will never die. Guys, if you don't get Kilig, please don't be mad to us because we're just us. And we have the rights to not be Kilig.
I wanna see the house because in Italy it's an amazing house. I wanna see how it is in Philippines.
Okay, let's go! That's our theme song, Pinoy Big Brother. In the Philippines. Ding 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 ding.
Ugly.
Wow! Kuya will never invite you to the house because you are very...
Old-fashioned, I guess.
I will translate everything for you. So he's telling her like I'm an old-fashioned man. Maybe I think they speak in
Is
English
there
sometimes.
subtitles?
There's no subtitle.
More like in marriage, you have to ask the parents, mga ganon, visiting the house, picking the girl up, dropping her back home. Kasi now, I think
parang
it's like
iba
kita-kits, di ba? Parang kita-kits sa...
Kita tayo sa ganitong place.
Oh, okay, I Kilig already.
So old-fashioned because he wants to ask for the marriage, pick up her with a car,
Yes.
drive.
I wish you were like that. Because the girl is also agreeing that because today, the kids today are just meeting at the park, behind their parents.
I don't have a car, we live together. I can ask Uber to come pick you up, to drive you right here where you already live.
I'm Kiliging already, don't ruin the moment.
If the girl wants, okay lang. But yung instinct ko is always I'll pick you up.
Gino, his name is Gino.
Parang I'm just lucky enough to...
Para dinner, ganyan.
At first I thought she was pregnant, but it's just the pillow. She has a pillow there and she was hugging it. I thought, oh, she's pregnant.
I don't think there was a pregnant contestant in Pinoy Big Brother so far yet.
As in split as in calculator, parang...
Hindi, I mean, kunwari, oh, sige ikaw ngayon, tapos same, ganyan.
That's nice.
Oh, I like her. I like what's her name, KIARA, because she's saying that equality. Because I think they're talking about pay. So you pay for the dinner, you pay for the movie, like same equality. Doesn't matter if you're a girl or the boy in the relationship.
Eh, wait, pwede pa split sa ano? I-calculate mo.
That's what we always do, me and Fabio. Fast food, dinner, good meal, expensive meal. We always split it.
Yeah.
And we always tell the cashier, can you split it in half? Our grocery, can you split it in half divided by 2?
I won't be like...
They're just bonding. Do you think he's cute? I think he's cute.
I think it's good. They're both very nice. Oh, they have a gym in the house?
A mini gym.
Oh, in Italy there's no. Looks like a salon, hairdressing salon.
Yes, it does look like it.
Hello, welcome. What hairstyle are we gonna do today, man? Why is he pretending to clean the house? He's just dragging that broom. Look, and then he leaves it.
She offered him coffee. What's the kilig there? Maybe, wait, maybe there's more. Let's wait. Okay, the kilig there is like she gave him coffee. But what makes it kilig, because the edits, they add like very romantic, sentimental music, and the guy sat beside her. Lighten up your cold heart. It's a little bit kilig, a little tiny bit. But we're still on 3, and we have 8 more to go. I mean, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 more to go. So. Oh, she's cute. I love her beauty. Dark skin. I love dark skin. Brown skin girl. How long are they in the house for? It seems very long. What do you mean?
They go together in the big room.
I think they share. I find her so pretty.
Yeah, she's.
So I guess they're just talking separate at the same time. They're just talking about love, how what they think about love to their friends, each other. I agree. Oh, Whelan is so smart. I definitely agree. He's talking about like just do your career, do your own life, and then eventually you'll just meet destiny. If you're meant for each other, you're meant for each other. That's what I always think about me and Fabio. But he doesn't think that because he's a cold hard bitch.
But why are they wearing like wool and
Maybe
heavy clothes?
the AC is strong in the house. Maybe.
How about lowering it down?
I find her so pretty. Oh my gosh, Morena.
Get it? Oh
Wait.
4.
Sa loob ng bahay is that time is very limited. I just wanted to say na parang known you for what, 3 weeks? Almost 3 weeks?
Very long time.
I really na gusto kita.
That I like you. Oh my gosh, he's confessing.
Can you imagine if he's like, Yani, I've known you for 3 weeks and I really enjoyed talking to you and I think you're a bitch.
He's confessing his love to
I think-
her.
I think you'll be eliminated next week.
Wow. Look at her smile. She's blushing.
She's like,
That is courageous. I think he's so cute in his own way. I guess I killing that.
You can relate to, I appreciate din yung usap natin.
That we talk.
You don't have to answer. I'm not asking for
do they ever have sex in the house?
Fabio, no.
Because in Italy they did all the seasons.
I know, because you guys are horny. This is Philippines. We have values.
They create
We have Filipina girls.
houses with pillows. And
That's
then they
the
go in
difference.
and they have sex and
That's
then
the
they go
difference.
scandalous.
That's a difference. You're Italian. We are Filipino. And the Philippines, we have values. And these are young people.
Values.
No, I'm
Come
serious.
on.
I'm serious. I feel like you get judged if you are like that. I remember that. Never mind.
So why do we need to judge?
Because we're not judged.
But when you're out of the camera, what do you do? Come on.
I don't know, Fabio. You don't know Filipinos. I don't know. I've
Ma.
never watched this show in so long. They probably changed. I don't know. They never have. The glances, though.
Do you believe in coincidences?
Yeah.
Ikaw?
For me, parang everyone you meet has a reason, has a purpose in your
Yes.
Obviously.
So there's no coincidence, there's a meaning. Coincidence is when it just happens randomly. It's just a coincidence.
I believe in it. Do you believe in it?
They're talking about a different thing. They're talking about, do you believe in coincidence? Things just happen like randomly.
He doesn't.
It's a good thing that you don't.
Why?
If it's a coincidence, it means there's no meaning behind it.
Oh,
It's a coincidence.
okay. My English is
No,
so bad.
you're like stupid. This is what I meant by when I said he has no brain. That's exactly what I meant.
It's part
Rude.
of the game. I just I've never experienced it.
He's such a romantic. You can see it in his body language, his face, his eyes. He really wants that romantic, long-lasting relationship. You can tell. No? Don't you agree?
Something like that.
I know, and what we did was obviously it wasn't. It should be not. It should be a part of it.
So she's
Kung ako
safe.
yun, pipiliin kong salba ka. Kasi alam ko.
He's such a Mr. Suave. He's like
kasi dito.
smooth.
And alam ko yung mga rason mo.
She saved him?
Yeah, I think
But
so.
then what's the drama?
We need a hanging rack for our laundry.
Oh my gosh, that's true. We need to buy it. Pinoy Baby Brother, just send it to us, the same brand.
Lahat tayo. Sobrang.
Oh, she's comforting him, I guess, because he was feeling bad that he only made a dish that is not special enough or something.
Don't flatten her hair. You don't even know how much time she spent on that.
Basta matayo namin siya. Ano naman?
I'm watching Fabio. Oh, I can tell he's a very nice guy.
She wants to leave.
Oh, you did.
I was scared he was gonna do that
Wait,
and rip her eyes
there's a
off.
new number 7.
She put a touch of highlights, I
Kasi
think.
kung hindi ko nga.
Cheaters never win.
I wish we had those type of moments.
Look, that's not where you put your finger.
Fabio, you're so dirty. Get your mind off the gutter.
Di ba talaga yung papa
Whelan is a funny guy, I think.
Look at the other one.
Oh my god, they're teasing them.
to say, na parang,
I feel like this show, he has a lot of confessions towards
He has
her.
a lot to say.
He has a lot to say towards her, and he's not scared to say it, and he's very courageous, and he follows his heart.
I feel
I like it.
Over this past month, we've gotten along naman, and also, I'm not really good at this.
You're not. I think you're very good at this. This is not your first rodeo. You've been doing this forever.
But yeah, ganun, and alam mo naman na gusto kita.
You know that I like you.
And
Her face is
just want to ask kung pwede akong magkikaw sa'yo.
What did he ask?
He said, "I just want to ask if I can court you." My stupid ass! You're not Kiliging. Oh, look, you're copying her.
What?
Why did she laugh? She's so pretty. Perfect teeth.
Wait.
Handa naman ako maghintay.
I can wait.
You're not kind of person. Not para sa akin.
He's so
I've
cute.
been thinking about it for a long time. Parang,
For a long time. It's been a month.
Yeah.
Okay, that is cute. That is cute. Come on. That is cute.
Hindi kasi.
Come on, that is cute.
Yeah. The day and age. What do you think about chivalry?
Did they ever make it? Did they date? Oh, he wrote a song for her.
Oh wow, what song did you write?
Can you
for
write
me?
a song for me?
I don't want you to write songs because you cannot sing.
Kaya,
Pinoy brother.
What do you think?
I
So
don't-
in my culture, before the guy, the girl, or the boy, or the girl start dating, one of them asks permission to court. So there's a courting process. It's not just like, okay, yeah, we're dating now.
So did you leave all this behind in the Philippines? Because with me you did not do that. I wanna let you guys know that he did not court me. He did not ask permission. He just did it. No permission asked.
Because I know it's different in Canada, like no courting whatsoever. It's just like, can we be boyfriends? Yes, that's it. But in the Philippines, before you are boyfriends and girlfriends or boyfriends or whatever, you do the process first. Like you give them flowers until one of them says, okay, yes.
I wanna break up so you can do that and practice it. Let's break up
Okay,
now,
well,
live.
I think Gino and Kiara are so cute. Okay, I'm not just saying that because of this video, but I genuinely think they're so cute. They are young people who are in love and they are doing puppy love and everything. They're so romantic and sweet. So, what do you think? I think I think the guy, especially Gino, oh my god. He could write he could write an album about love, I think, because he's so in love. He could write poetry about love. You can see it in his eyes.
Yeah.
And the way he is not scared to express those emotions, those are not easy. That's not easy. But the way he
Because
is
you have
scared,
cameras in front of you.
exactly, especially that,
Yeah.
and it's like the way he expresses his emotions, his love towards Kiara.
It's very sweet. I
It's
think it's
sweet.
very sweet. I don't think it's something that
Because you have a cold heart, bitch. Comment down below if they continued dating. If Kiara ever said yes. We don't really follow the show, so I'm so sorry. But this is cute.
And comment down below if you want me to break up with Yani and then
You
record
court him. How about you court me?
I'm doing nothing. I'm gonna do nothing. I'm just sitting on the couch. Thank you guys for watching.
See you next time. Bye.